Introducing the Recite Me toolbar. Recite Me is a software company that provides an innovative suite of on-demand accessibility and language tools that make websites more accessible and inclusive for a diverse range of people online, including users with disabilities and varying language needs. Screen reader. Once you've launched the toolbar, simply hover over our website content to have it read aloud. This feature can also be controlled by 3 green buttons on the left side of the toolbar. Click the play button to read the text aloud. Click the back button to rewind to the previous paragraph of text. And click the forward button to skip forward to the next paragraph of text. You can also download the audio of the website by highlighting the text and clicking the Download Audio button. The content will be downloaded as an audio file which you can listen to wherever and whenever you want. Reading aids. To simplify use and support your website visitors, the Recite Me Web Accessibility Toolbar provides 5 main tools: ruler, screen mask, magnifier, margins, and a dictionary. Click the ruler button to enable the reading ruler. By clicking the screen mask, you can create a letterbox for focused viewing on a section of the page. This can help those who may get distracted by other elements on the page when reading. The dictionary tool allows you to highlight a word to receive the definition. You can also have this definition read aloud. The magnifying tool allows you to drag a magnifying glass onto the screen to magnify text and images. The settings cog allows you to adjust various settings of the Recite Me toolbar. Click Reset to restore the default settings of the toolbar. Styling and customization. Recite Me assistive technology allows people to change the way a website looks. Our website users are able to customize the color scheme as well as the text, font style, size, color, and spacing. Select the font button to change the font of the text displayed on the page. You can choose from a range of fonts that best suit your needs. A font in particular to note is Open Dyslexic, which is designed to mitigate some of the common reading errors caused by dyslexia. The minus sign decreases the size of the text, and the plus sign increases the size of the text. You can use the color wheel to change the background, text, and link colors. You can use various presets or customize them on your own. Text mode allows you to remove images so you can focus on the text without distractions. And the margins button changes the dimensions of the text by narrowing the width of the text column. Translation. 1 in 10 people do not speak English as their first language. The Recite Me web accessibility technology on our website quickly and easily translates all web content. By selecting the Translate button, you can choose from over 100 languages, 65 of which can be read aloud. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoy trying out the inclusive tools on our website. For more information, please visit reciteme.com. Recite Me, believing in accessibility for all.